ओके आमे वर्तमान टिके क्वांटम मेकानिक्स विषय सम्यक very very minutely we are going to be discuss what is exactly the so called quantum mechanics कहले कौन actually एटा गोटे पार्टिकल हमू देखा जाउछि ना नहीं देखा जाउछि तो एटार मोशन भी हमू देखा जाउछि बा द सो कॉल्ड the dynamics or the so called mechanics of this particle can be viewed, observed by us and also can be calculated at any moment, at any instant of time we can calculate. That means if I am going to leave here, it is moving in this direction, so particular time, particular velocity of this particle can be observed, means can be calculated. Okay, that means it is observed by my sense organ, that is my sensor, my eye. So it is easily identified, it is easily resoluted from this distance to this distance. So here it is, here if it is moved here to here, it is easily resoluted. Resoluted means the so called resolution word resoluted asla. So it will be easily resoluted, so I can define its momentum and velocity and other energy and other parameters like this. Now I am going to show you one another situation. See, the particle is inside this box. Now I close this box. You can hear the sound. That means the particle is inside the box. That is 100% truth. That is 100% truth that particle is inside the box. So if somebody will be asked that what is the percentage probability of finding the particle inside this whole box, is 100%, obviously 100%. But where it is exactly at a particular time we could not define, because we could not visualize that particle. So like that, the so called electrons, atoms and the so called microscopic particles which is not visualized by our sense organ, and with the help of the advanced technology instruments to define their motion, to define their dynamics, which is called as, or define analysis representation their dynamics, is nothing but called as the so called quantum mechanics. We are move in detail. So this is the minute the so called definition of your quantum mechanics. Okay.